We got NitroGaz with his drone out today.
Do some filming.
Do some filming.
One hell of a bit of kit. Dead cheap.
Dead cheap, yeah. 190 quid, wasn't it, Gareth?
170.
170 quid.
I only bought it because I bought it off you.
Yeah. We got the x-maxx on 54 gearing. Pretty boring, but I've killed all my other gears and I'm waiting for some belt drive stuff to arrive. So yeah. So we gave these tyres a try, the ones in my previous video that I repaired, where we did the super glue and the tiger seal.
If you click the card above, and it'll link you straight to that video.
So, they've actually, surprisingly enough, held up pretty well. If you have a look in the previous video, you'll see, you know, how split they were. It's pretty dirty, so it's hard to tell. But as you can see, a little bit of cracking. It's to be expected though. I mean, this was a massive split all the way up there. It did split ever so slightly there. It was about 5 mils worth. I've just dabbed a bit of super glue on it. But all in all, when you think these tyres are, what, 65 quid a pair? Was it like, I don't know, they $50 or something? I don't know.
No, they're not more than $50. They would probably be at least $80.
Yeah, more than like whatever it is they are anyway. So this is a handy fix, and as you've seen in our video now, we've just we've took it out to the skate park and we've put it through its paces. The gearing I've got on the truck at the moment isn't overly powerful because I killed all my other gears. So yeah,
show them the drive shaft, Dean.
Yeah, so the tyre, which everyone probably thought would rip to pieces, did better than the shaft.
That, my friend, is a banana.
Oh, it's a banana. We'll put you back on in a sec and I'll show you how we straighten these out here anyway. This is my dump of a workshop. Let's straighten some drive shafts. We've got a nice hammer, drive shaft, vice. Let's see what we can do.
Dean?
Yeah?
You need to tidy your workshop.
Oh, I know. Do you know what? I may even just take it straight to the old hammer.
Yeah.
Get go.
Hang.
A little bit more.
That's straighter than it was.
I'll tell you something though, it's getting there. I mean, you could go out and you could buy new shafts, but what is the point? You know, when you're going out bashing and you're bending them regularly, there really is no point in spending your hard-earned money. Lay them on something flat like that and solid.
And hit them with a Birmingham screwdriver.
There we go, look, so give it a bit of a roll.
Oh yeah, noise alert.
Noise alert. Almost as noisy as NitroGaz's RC cars.
No, noisier I think.
That'll do.
That'll do, donkey.
And if you're worried about rusting, which if you're chicken the way I do, the chances are you're not. Bit of whatever you got lying around. Light coat. This is even heat resistant.
And if you fancy killing your lungs as well.
Yeah, put a mask on.
Don't do what Dean does.
Like and subscribe for more RC carnage.